inside this dummy JSON, inside the products, now you have title, image name is thumbnail. Come back here and see, we are inside a map function and we named it as PR, and here img we used in the img PR dot thumbnail. So we will get the thumbnail, sir, right? So alt PR dot title, then come here, category, PR dot category, title, PR dot title. What more are there? Description, PR dot description. Sir, it's for a time cause I am doing it. But still, I don't think these ones are difficult for you to understand. Okay, you know actual CSS, and these were the actual CSS only. But when we implement, it would take so much time. So that's why I do it. You guys try to see it and understand it whenever you want to do it. Okay, don't just blindly do it. Why PR or title only coming? Like, why nothing is coming? See, title, it's title coming. Remove quotes. Where? Oh, instead of learn more, let's remove this both. Instead of learn more, put some add to cart. When someone click on it, make it the cart update. Okay, sir. I hope you guys understanding it, right? Now go here, sir. Now, if you remember, sir, we set up something a Redux store. Okay, in the Redux toolkit store, we used three things. One is to set products. The moment we got it, we already did this whenever we got the products from the API. Actually, we used to set products so that the whole products will be set up here. So if any another page I want to use the products like filtering kind of things, I can use this one. Okay, or add cart. There is an add cart one. Add cart will take it an action payload. That means add cart will take it like object, the whole object, and it will push it into an array named cart, right? And we have something called remove cart also. So I will go to this products list page, sir. In this, I will import add cart and go here. This is a button. On click, here I will use add cart, and I'm gonna pass the whole PR. PR is basically that particular object, isn't it? Are you getting my point, sir? And whatever the PR you passed, sir, that PR will be considered the action dot payload, right? No. Okay. So let's go here. Let's put some header and footer also, sir, quickly, and we'll see the remaining pages. Blog, contact, content, CTA, e-commerce. No, no, no. This is like the footer, right? This footer looks good. I will take the footer, sir. And what is the color language I selected last time? I think blue, right? Did you guys remember? No, I also not remembered. Red, I think. See this red color wala. Okay. And I will copy this, sir. Copy to clipboard. Go here. Go to footer. Footers are inside the component, sir. I did not write any much more component. See, I am making it the page as simple as possible, that you can make it more and more complex also. Okay. It's like the setup. I just want to you to know how you can get all projects, how you will maintain the Redux in this, okay, or how you will go from one page to another page. These things, okay. These were the main basic things we can deal with it. See header, which header we will go? I'm going with this header. పక్కన ఎల్లుండి నార్మల్ ఇవ్వండి ఎల్లుండి నార్మల్ okay, we will edit it. Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay. One more thing, ma. In the meanwhile, I'm just wanna tell you this all that I think most people already guessed it that tomorrow, due to the Ramjan, again we have a holiday, and again we will come back in day after tomorrow after tomorrow's class. Don't worry about it. Okay. Yeah. And mm, okay, header is there. Let's go to header. Instead of tail blocks, my cart, go down, home, products, home products. Uh, huh? I don't think we will do that all. No, home, about usually e-commerce don't have any things separately like that for each and every product. No, we don't have it like that. Usually it's a different point. Product, no, contact. I'm not going to build this about and contact page. Okay, but I'm 100% sure you guys can build it. Okay, right? It's not a big deal now. What is that router link, right? Router link only, na? In router DOM. Like to go to that page router link only, na? Router link, link only, I think. Let me import it and I will see. That is the problem. Router link, is it in React or is it in uh, Angular? I'm confused. Let me see. In one, it is link only. In one, it is router link. Link or router link? Only link, right? Link attribute. So I have to import link then. From here, down, button. This button arrow symbol is there. Okay. Cart. And another button. Login. Guys, do we use it like, see, do we use it like this? That, you know, anchor tag link, or instead of A, we use link? You should tell me, na, then. Then what we will put it, you know, link, huh? Link only, capital L. Okay, if I use this, here two, two. Now correct, right? Now I remembered. Perfect. Mhm. Thanks to the people online who mentioned it. Okay, at least it is coming. It is looking like some page now, right? Okay. So I think you can able to change this all later, right? Right, ma? Now go here. Where is this cart? Put it here, something span. Now the span class name, uh, rounded, rounded, large, padding, P6. Inside this, I will write it in cart, whatever the elements are there, how many elements are there that I have to write. Cartical length. Okay. How do you take the cart elements, sir, here? Use selector. Did you guys remember use selector, sir? Using use selector, I'm getting it like how many elements are in the cart. Okay. So, how do you get it, sir? Const count equals to use selector. I have to import it. I'm not getting suggestions, but usually you will get select suggestions, ma. Use selector React Redux, and I will use similarly. Where is this? Now here, cart. Inside the product reducer, we have cart ka array. And this cart ka array, whatever I'm getting it, sir. Okay, that cart will be cart array here. Cart array, right? I think you guys got it, right? Now, if I click on this, here what I will keep it, ma. Here I will keep it cart ka length. Cart dot cart dot length. How many elements are there? Sir, in product not used dispatch for cart button. In products list, did I not use dispatch, sir? Where is add to cart? Oh, here I directly used it, which is wrong. We have to use dispatch and we have to keep it. Someone mentioned it and it is good. Any doubts, ma? It is coming zero like this, which is not good. Cart. We will try to update it later. Now, at the same time, this whole thing will be This whole button will be inside an anchor tag, sir. Link tag. Okay, ma. Now, if I go to product page, if I click on add to cart, one. Any doubts, ma? Now, let's go here. And if I go to this particular cart page and I'm getting this Samsung Universe, how I'm getting it, sir? So simple. I just write it a cart page here. If I go to cart page, sir, in the cart page, I just used the same thing selector and I just took it the product state dot product, same like how I did it in header, right? And I just printed the array name with something like this. Any doubts, ma? Sir, any doubts, sir? Now, here what you can do, sir. Here I can put something called UL and this one printed the LI, and every time whenever it is printing it, I can even keep it a button called delete. Okay. Now, if someone clicks on the delete, sir, on click, then I will use again dispatch of deleting that particular button. If you remember, we use this the remove cart also in the reduxer. Did you guys understand, sir? Sir, if you are can able to understand this all things, that means you can able to get it like how to use Redux or how to use this all, right? Remove cart, and I got it. And use selector, use dispatch. Sir, if anyone not understanding, please let me know. If you sit for 3 hours continuously, you can able to complete this project very easily. Sorry, used this much. And I have to pass the ID. Dispatch, remove cart, and for remove cart, I will pass the ID, sir. What is this ID? Item dot ID. Any doubts, sir, online or offline? This whatever the ID you pass, sir, ID will be taken up here. If you see here, ID, in this ID it will take. Oh, the action dot payload dot ID I used now. So I can go here directly. Where is this? Which page it is? Cart page now. So I can write it here directly item only. And what you can keep it more, go to header, go to this button logic, keep it this button, checkout. Any doubts, ma? Sir, any doubts, sir? No. And let's move it like, let's write it here, total, a para, a H1 called total will be there. Total is equals to, here, total is inside the cart array, right? Here inside the cart array, total number of elements are there. Sir, how do you get the completely set of all values inside an array? Reduce method. Do you know that reduce method, sir? Do you guys know reduce method? Reduce method will use to sum up the all elements inside an array usually. Okay. So try to use this, sir. Now cart is a array if I'm not wrong. So cart dot reduce. Now reduce method will take it one callback value, which will take the previous value and the current value index. So which will take it like previous value sum, comma, current value is PR, and here you will write it sum plus PR dot price inside the PR, whatever the price is there. And this is all one function, if I'm not wrong. Comma 0. So initially it starts with 0. This will be the summation of all the values inside the cart, sir. See? Any doubt, sir? Instead of BG gray, BG red. Any doubt, sir? What if I go to products page and write it here one more iPhone X, iPhone 9, MacBook Pro. Come to cart page. 4 items are added. Sir, you can make it a better UI, sir. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? If I wanna click it like this iPhone 9, let's click on this, delete. And see, whenever I'm deleting it, the total is changing it. Right or not? Are you getting it, ma? Are you getting it? Yeah. See. Clear, sir? Now, let's go to here, each product ka page. Now I will put here, this title is there, na? This title I will keep it inside an anchor link. If I click on this, each product will have its own page. These were the three important things. All product ka page, each product ka page, and cart ka page. These were the three main logics inside e-commerce. Remaining all are show offs actually, right? Whether you put a slider or not, whether you put category or not, it's like an extra one. But these three are mandatory ones. Yeah, when someone asks you like explain the logic of e-commerce, these were the main things they expected. And here, if you guys, I think, see, by understanding this program, you will understand the power of Redux. When I tell you a Redux example using to do or counter, it is simple. You may feel it like you can use state only. But if you use use state now, it will be too much difficult. So many use states has to be done, right? But because Redux is there, everything is managed at one place. I'm easily getting anything anywhere and I'm updating anything anywhere. Are you guys getting my point, ma? Any doubts, sir? If doubts are there, you can mention to me always. Now I will go to each product ka page, and this is what the each product ka page. Each product ka page, what I did, sir, I used something called use params. Use params means, if you remember, let me go to you and show it to you this. In the app page, I used something called Product, each product ka page will be product slash colon ID. This thing I did it using when we explained to React router DOM also I explained this concept. This is called dynamic routing. Okay, right? You will have parameters. That means if I click on first product, product slash one will come. If I click on second product, product slash two will come. Whatever the ID is there, that one will come. So in the URL, something ID is there. That ID I can able to take it using params. Use params is used to extract that value. So did you remember, sir? Now that use params will take it this ID, sir, and this ID I can able to use it, sir, here. I will just print it. Okay, later I will do the remaining things. I'm just using this printing one. Now here, let's go here. Let's go to products list page. And here, let's keep it in another button. Anchor tag. Instead of add to cart, I want it. Okay, not this. Where is title? Title. Here. This pura H1, I will keep it inside a link tag. In some pages, the suggestions are coming. In some pages, the suggestions are not coming. Link to slash product slash. Here I will pass pr.id. Right, sir? Now go here, sir. Now, if you see this iPhone 7, iPhone 9 is something in a anchor tag. Okay. So how do the people know anchor tag? They don't know, na? So I should write it hover logic also. One of the main advantage with Tailwind is Tailwind can able to write it the this pseudo classes like hovering and all. Bootstrap it's not possible, right? If you wanna write a hover logic in Bootstrap, how you will write? No, normally only you have to write. But this one have that logic. If I write it hover on hovering, what you want it to do? I wanted BG to be blue of 600. So instead of BG, I will say text to be. Now people will understand they have to click it, right? Now I will click on iPhone 9, sir. Product slash something is coming, the ID. Why this much big is coming? ID is one only, na? Then why something is adding it here? Use template literal. Why it is not working? Huh? Double slash. Okay. Hey, this is template literal. It has to be like this only. Hmm. If you use double quotes, I don't think it will take it. This one. I think we used last time also. How did we did? Huh? See, if I click on iPhone 6. This is nothing but pr.id only coming. This one is in single quote. This only this one you want me to keep it single quote. Here? Are you sure? Are you sure? I don't know. My brain is not working. Okay, someone gave it an another suggestion using it two objects notation. React router DOM dynamic routing. I think we did it. It should be in template literal. But why the template literal is working, that is what the point is. See, they use template literal only, but they put it inside the brackets. That's perfect now. So, brackets, and I use template literal. Product slash dollar pr.id. Let's see whether it will work or not. Go back. Okay, product slots, product two. No, 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 no. Perfect. Now page is coming. Okay. So it's product only, not product. So it's up to you, however you write it in router down. Okay, sir. Anyway, my page is coming, sir. That means ID is coming in the product page, product details page. So once you are getting it ID, sir, using this ID, take the element. Using this ID, take that particular element. Okay. So how do you take it, sir? Go here, go to products. Go to the top. I'm gonna take this products one. Then I will get the products array. Use dispatch, use selector. Right? So my point is I will get the products array and I already have an ID. So what you will do, sir? I will write it use effects. Okay. In this use effects, I'm gonna write a basic logic which will run immediately whenever your application starts. And in this logic, I'm gonna use inside this products array, find the logic p return p dot id is equals to my id. Okay. And whatever the element, that element will be returned and that element will be const product. And here I will write it here product dot id and I will write it here p title product dot title. Something is wrong. Did you mean stroke with the? Where did I use that all right? Control C, yes. One more time. What does it mean by stroke with stroke line join? Why I'm using this all? Or I will do fetch again. Const product, comma, set product equals to use state. Initially, it's an empty object. Now here I will use fetch. And in the fetches logic, sir, what you will use, this products, where is this? Where is my URL? Dummy JSON. If I write it here, /2, I will get all the second element. Okay, so if I pass the ID automatically, I will get that now. Usually any API will works that, sir. With the ID, it will work. If you remember CRUD application, I did that to get it each and every element. So product slash instead of two dollar, I have ID and I will search for the element and whatever the logic I got, dot then I will write it here res res.json and then data set products data and this product I will print it. I don't think now it has a problem only. It is asking me to refresh it one more time. What happened, Ray? Class name. Where did I use the class only here? Use effect is not defined. Cannot read properties of undefined ID. Either header or product list page somewhere is wrong. Okay. Wherever class is there, it has to be replaced with class name. Okay, I can't do that directly because if I do, everything will be collapsed. So one mistake we have observed, sir, if I used that block one, I am getting it directly class, not the class name, but React uses class name. I should change it first time only. I think this is the one stroke with the stroke line joiner, stroke cap, these things. I don't need this only. Unnecessary time things. It is saying it cannot read because this is the problem, sir. It is doing this use effect first. So what I will do is I will take this line also here only. What? products. Now see, any errors are coming. Invalid stroke or stroke join, these things are coming. I removed it now. Why link is not accessing? Is link L capital only? Yes, it is. Click on iPhone X. It's 2. Now what is the problem? Check it only errors, not the warnings. Warning okay, warning okay, warning okay, warning okay. Now this is the error. Cannot read undefined of an ID. Earlier it took na console.log ID. Maybe ID should be in a square brackets. No, it is an object value, right? Use params will always return an object. See, returns an object of key value pairs. So, and in the URL also, if you see URL, earlier it worked now. If I'm using directly ID things, this is working it nicely. See, product ID is coming now. Now all we need to do is we need to find the element of this ID. And that is why I used use effect. If I used use effect, it should go console.log ID and it should print that ID. It is printing it ID. Now go here, fetch. Why it did not work earlier then? Dot then res console.log res. See, it is coming now. Why it did not come earlier then? Response and then data. Whatever the data I got it, I will give that data to that product. It is perfectly working now, Ray. Cha. When I use state update, it is not accepting it. Line number 18. Okay, I understand it, sir. Only if product existed, it should happen, na? Control X. Now I understand. What if the product value is not existed? In that cases, I don't want anything because initially the product value will not existed, sir. Conditional rendering they want. Let's just mention it up. Now, no problem. See, set product is not a function. Sir, in state declaration, remove the flower brackets. Oh, state declaration is a square brackets, na? Right? Handicraft Chinese steel. I open this page and go top here. Now here I can see only product detail. This is not there. Product is not coming only. Okay. Biggest mistake. Coming. Now go to tail block. Go top. Earlier I have seen product page ma. Uh, See, I'm using this page for product. Okay. This one is looking good, promising. View the code, copy the code, go here. All JSX elements needs to be closed. And here wherever class is there, I needs to update it to class name. Class Stroke with the stroke liner. We'll see whether it will work or not. Okay, sir. Any doubts, ma? Now I want to print the image here, name here, brand here, some description here. Okay. Any doubts, sir? No. And the add to cart button will dispatch the add to cart. I hope most people already got an idea, sir. Right? If anyone not understand, please let me know. Where is this? It's just an editing one now. Here on click, dispatch, add cart. Okay. And this particular item I need to send. Okay. That particular item is nothing but product. Right or not? Now, sir, here you need to print each and everything, sir. Where is this for image SRC product dot thumbnail, and here product dot category, product dot title. Why four images are coming? Is this much big the images? Go here thumbnail. Only one na? Maybe don't worry. We will see it. We can see it. It's not a big deal. Maybe for that image they gave bigger one. Okay, we don't know that. So and here what you can do reviews one that you can change it later. Description product dot description. Any doubts sir till now? So I want you guys to try a slider. Okay, in the home page. See now if I click on this add to cart, it will update it. One thing here. See, and I want you to use slider, sir. For slider, you can use React, Slick React. Use this Slick React, sir. See, yeah, this is a library which will give you nice slider, or or React Slick or Swiper JS. Swiper JS. This is also a nice sliders will give you Swiper.js also. Okay, this kind of sliders will give you. I want you to use that in home page and to print the values. So Friday I will do login page, dashboard pages. Okay, Firebase I will put login, sign up, dashboard, right? And we'll just do some modifications, and that's it. The project is over. Is this clear, ma? Did you guys get it till now? If any point you didn't get it, just check the code base. I will push it into the Git. If any point you did not get it, sir, let me know. Okay? Yeah. Git commit. Tomorrow there is no class, ma. Okay. Uh, Once we discussed what is this? Once we discussed this login function, I will show you the lazy loading. Okay. That is the only one concept we missed. Okay. I will show you. Okay. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. If anyone doubts, you can see the project once, and if you want to add anything, bring that idea. I want to add something like this. Those things we will discuss how to do. Okay. Yeah. That's it, sir. Thank you all.